Yeah, what's going on, y'all? So I'm back with another freaking video. I just got some food. That's not me, Wendy's. And y'all, like, I just wanted to really talk and do like a video where I explain to y'all what I want to do with my car and stuff. It's actually kind of hot in here, so I'm getting ready to turn the car off. And so we about to chill. We about to eat and chill. Hopefully y'all want to see a video like this. If you do, keep watching because we about to do it. Hey, okay. So I have, like I said, y'all, I got Wendy's. Oh, y'all see the hoodie? God is dope. Black women matter. Come on now. I got me some wings, boy. Okay. And so I get the baconator fries. If you get the regular fries from Wendy's, bro, you bugging. You gotta get the baconator fries. If you don't eat bacon, just get them with cheese, at least. You understand me now? Let me say my grace real quick. Amen. It's busting. It's busting. Alright, so I wanted to make this video for you guys because I wanted to talk about what I want to do to the car, or what I have planned already, what I've already bought. And there's a few things. I'll insert some clips of some stuff right now. So y'all see those the big boxes? But yeah, it's a bumper and a hood. I was just trying to contemplate, and it's something else is in there too. And I'm gonna be putting that on the car. Of course, I have to paint it first. I'm not gonna tell you guys what color. You guys stay tuned for that. I think I just spit. But you guys stay tuned for that. So it's gonna be lit though. Roger is getting ready to get a facelift. I've had him for 5 years. He getting ready to look totally different because I can't afford a V8 right now, guys. Well, I take that back. I have the opportunity to buy one, but I just have to be smart. I have to be smart. I heard that Mustang. That Mustang sound good. Ooh, I like that color too. It's fire. Yeah, so I have to be smart. So I paid a lot of money for that stuff. I already opened it, already looked at it, and I necessarily don't have I don't like the quality of it per se, but I'm hoping like after, you know, I get it sanded and painted that it'll look good. You know, I have an opportunity to get a scat pack, or I can get an RT. But personally, I've driven RTs before. It's good. It sounds amazing. You have a V8, that's great. But when I drive it, I literally feel not that much different from the V6 to the V8. Y'all seen it. I have a ripp supercharger. I bought it used. I got a pretty good deal on it. I can't argue about it. It's the Heritage Edition. Honestly, and this is the reason why I wanted to make this video. I'm thinking about selling it. Hear me out, because if I do get a scat pack, I don't need a ripp supercharger anymore because I have a scat pack, you know?
Squirrel!
If I don't get a scat pack, then I'm gonna supercharge my V6, and it's just hard trying to find somebody to put it on for me for a reasonable price. I mean, people were trying to charge me like $2,000 just to install, no tune, no dyno, no nothing, and I'm like, oh, baby, I might be a woman, but I'm not stupid. You ain't about to rip me off like that. Like that, to me, that's just way too much for not even trying to tune the car as well, just for installation. Oh, you got me fluffed up. So I'm trying to figure out ways around that, trying to figure out how I can get it installed and everything like that. And so like, if you know anybody in the Fayetteville area that does like, North Carolina, that does like car like work on cars and stuff, I've called multiple shops. We don't have that many here in Fayetteville, but I've called and people were either not answering the phone or they're not calling me back. And so I don't think anybody want to work on Dodge like that. So I mean, people have their preference, so I can't be like too mad, you know. I get it, I understand. So like, that's where I'm at with that. Honestly, that's pretty much it. Minus the cosmetic stuff I want to do. I do want to supercharge my vehicle if I do not get a V8. And if I do get a V8, I will be selling my supercharger. Or I might just sell it anyway just to get enough money to get a V8. Like, I don't really know right now with all of that. But I do have a bumper. I do have a hood coming. I mean, it's here. I just have to get it painted. I ordered the paint yesterday. And so I already have somebody to paint it for me, and hopefully everything works out, man. I'm just trying to see where life is taking me. Like I said before in the video, this is a journey to a V8. I want a V8. I want a Scat Pack. I want a Hellcat. I want all types of cars. I'm into cars. First car obviously is a Challenger, and I've had it ever since I graduated. So I wanted to make it faster and just make him look good and feel good in the car again. So that's why I started this channel, because I wanted to document it. Because first off, I don't see a lot of girls doing stuff like this. Secondly, especially not work to their cars. Like, I don't see a lot of women with builds. Like, I see a lot of women now with like Scat Packs and all that kind of stuff, and that's cool. That's awesome. I want to be that. I want to be there one day. But you know, building a car is cool too. So it's a lot of work, and it's a lot of patience, a lot of time, but it's definitely, I think it's definitely going to be worth it, especially when I hear that supercharger and everything in there. So I'm excited for the future. I'm excited for everything. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Share this video with any of your girls, any of your friends. Like, look, if you're in the Fayetteville area and you have a V6 Challenger, please hit me up. I'm trying to find some girls that drive V6 Challengers that are not ashamed. Come on, man. We all got to start somewhere. And some of it, I just wanted this car for the look. It was my first car. Like, come on, man. But honestly, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for the love that I have been getting on my videos. And yeah, man. Make sure you guys follow Roger on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. It's K with the Mopar. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.